bed and my green wall and this thingy over here. Some books that I don't read, and a lamp, and my purse. Oh, my purse is so cute! I love it. And lotions and sprays and American Eagle and my TV outfit and my new movie poster. And where was that? My desk. And oh, anyway. My window. Let's look at my window. There's stairs. That's the 3rd floor. This is the 2nd floor, and then this is the 3rd floor. Wait. 1st, 2nd, 3rd. And out there's the thing, I don't know what that is. And some trees. And that chicken. I don't know what that is, but I can see it out my window. And the house across the street. I don't think so. Anyway. Oh god, I almost fell out the window. Oh, look, you see that thing right there? That thing? And that thing? That's my report card. Whoops! Anyway. And then my yellow wall and my poster. It's so bland. Anyway. And then my closet with clothes and stuff. And lots of clothes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Goes all the way back here. The floor. And your purse. It's totally intact. No socks. Anyway. And my Ugg boots. And just stupid stuff. And oh yeah. Oh yeah. My new bed. Anyway. And that's me, your best friend. Anyway. And then that's pretty much all for my room, I guess. I'm listening to the Jonas Brothers. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I have a whole bunch of cool sunglasses and all these. And look, those glasses that I never gave back to. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my room, I guess. So yeah, I love you.